back to the channel. All my playing getting money, all my fellas looking fly, ladies y'all looking fly. Today is the Patta drop, you get me? Third wave, I'm outside Patta now. Got a link with the man them, you already know. Got my Pattas on, you know how we do. But yeah people, stay tuned people, I'm gonna show you what time it is at Patta drop. Where you can see, we're outside Patta for the third wave, you get me? Big up Remy, holding us down. You already know. Love, we famous baby. So yeah my people, so for the drops, what they do, they make you go around to Golden Square. I'm heading over to Golden Square now. I'll show you that what's really good. You know what I'm saying? We're heading over to Golden Square, there's a few heads in there now. It's not as packed as the second wave, but I know the fourth wave is gonna be lit. You get me? We got Creps on Creps, Propeller. We got the whole team, you know? We're at the Patta drop. See my boys over there. Right there. Soul to soul. Crep shots. Oh shit. What's my man's name again, man? Too many Instagram names to remember. I do know it, but I just can't remember it off the top of my head. But yes, there's a lot of people in the park. It's lit day. It's not as busy as the last one. The last one was literally going all the way. Yo, Moggy. What's going on, family? What's going on, family? Hey, is that how you're hitting him? You're moving mad. Yeah, I came through with the easy. Hey, don't know my bro, yes. Hey boys, you got your tickets, you're happy, yeah? You saying you're right, yeah? You me? You don't like them? The quality looks good though.
Fake Drakes in there.
Fours or Jordan 1s?
Air Max 1s.
Air Max 1s. Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s? Jordan 4s. 4s or 1s? Air Max 1s or Air Max 90s?
Air Max 1s. Come on.
Jordan 1 highs or Jordan 1 lows?
High.
Air Max 90s or Air Max 1s?
Air Max 1s.
I'm